jump.
Gotta get a running start, man. Woo-wee. Man, this thing is beautiful, man. What do you got in here?
415 Sundown U series.
Okay.
With 2 JP43s running it.
2 JP43s? Where are the amps at?
They're on the sidewall.
Okay, check those out.
They got hacked.
Okay. I got it on the other side. Nice.
Yeah, it's just set up on the same side.
Okay, so same on each side?
Yeah.
Nice, man. You care if I look at the other side too?
It's a little hard to open. I'll try to open it.
No. Y'all good, man. It's cool. Hear that big diesel in here, man. Nah, it's all good. Oh, okay. Perfect.
Yeah, it's 3/16 sheet of metal as a back glass.
Very nice, very nice. Thanks for that, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, with some fans.
Okay. And they say flat wall?
Yes, flat wall.
Okay.
Yeah.
Probably 43 hertz tune?
42 hertz.
42. Okay.
42 hertz. I hit about 150 dBs.
Okay. 150 on the meter?
Yep.
All right. So as far as the truck goes, I'm like, what kind of lift you got on here?
It's actually a little level kit, like a little 2-inch level.
Is it do it on its own, just kind of level out? So...
No, it's just like blocks, like metal blocks.
Oh, okay.
With
okay.
24 by 14 inch.
Okay. So
tires.
how many inches off the ground is it?
If I put stock tires on it, it's 3 inches above stock.
All right. What do you think about the squatted guys?
I mean, it ain't my thing. It ain't my
okay, all right. Because you lift it right and everything. And that
yeah, I'm a level kind of guy.
You're a level guy,
I don't want to be looking at the sky.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, I remember back in the day, I had a Cutlass Supreme where we had let it down in the back because we wanted to make the illusion of people thinking that we kind of had a low rider.
Yeah.
And
I get that, but like squatted trucks, like
yeah, squatting trucks. Yeah, you can't see over the hood, can you?
No. I've rode in some that, no.
You can't really sit over here.
I've driven before, nah. Come on. I'd rather do this.
Yeah. Yours look good, man. I've always wanted a lifted truck. Like, always.
It's not much of a lift. I want to put on airbags.
Gotcha. Yeah. Burn out steering wheel. Which one is that one?
The NRG.
NRG? Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome, man.
I just put it on too.
One of them brand new big boy toys. I do big boy things, I make big boy noise. Cause I know what girls want. I know what they like. They wanna stay up and party all night. So bring it. Tell her what the young boy gon' do.
That's a nice sound right there, man. It's real clean too.
Yeah, it's 2 inches of wood.
Oh!
Yeah,
that is solid, man.
It's solid.
Yeah. Awesome, man. Tell us your name.
Dustin.
Dustin?
Yeah, Dustin.
Poppa T, man. Nice to meet you. Hey, this build is clean, man. I like it. I really like it. Did you build it?
No, it's sponsored basically.
Okay,
Good
all right.
friends of mine. Takes Tunes.
Okay, I'll check him out too.
Yeah.
Hey, make sure you get down in the comments to let them know what you think about this build. Don't forget to hit that like button. Yeah, man.